and welcome back to Victoria's Educational Services, where I break down difficult concepts into easy steps. Today, we are going to continue to learn how to divide using place value discs, but this time, we are going to see what to do when we have a remainder in the tens place. Our objective is to represent and solve division problems requiring decomposing a remainder in the tens. By the end of this video, you'll be able to divide using place value discs with the remainder in the tens. This lesson covers standard 4.nbt.6. Okay, let's get started. Let's take a look at a problem from the Lesson 17 homework. The directions say, show the division using discs. Relate your model to long division. Check your quotient and remainder by using multiplication and addition. Today we're starting with question 2 since number 1 does not have a tens place. In this tutorial, we are only solving using place value discs. I'll make another video to show how to solve using the standard algorithm if that's something that you all would be interested in. So leave a comment if that would be helpful to you. The first problem we're solving is 73 divided by 2. Our first step is to draw our discs representing our tens and ones. I see there is a 3 in the ones place, so I will draw 3 discs in the ones place. 1, 2, 3. I see that there is a 7 in the tens place, so I will draw 7 discs in the tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I like to draw a squiggly line to separate my disc so I don't get confused when I start drawing my new ones. Okay, our next step is to draw 2 horizontal lines because we are dividing by 2. 1, 2. I like to number our lines because it helps us stay organized. Okay. Now, we need to distribute our dots starting with the tens place onto our 2 lines until we can't split them evenly anymore. 1, 2, let me cross them out as we go. 3, 4, 5, 6, and I see that I have 1 dot left over. So, I need to take that dot because it's in the tens place and move it to the ones place. So I'm decomposing 1 10 into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now I have my 10 ones in the ones column. Now I'm going to distribute my dots on my 2 lines until I run out of discs to fill both lines equally. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so as you can see, I have 1 dot left over. That dot is going to be my remainder. So to write our answer, we have to look at how many dots are on each line. I see 3 dots on each line. So I'm writing a 3 in my tens place. And on my ones place, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots. Okay, and we can't forget about our remainder, which was 1. So now I have my answer, which is 36 remainder 1. Now, we're going to skip down to number 6, which is 92 divided by 4. Our first step is to draw our discs representing our tens and ones. I see there is a 2 in the ones place, so I'll draw 2 discs. 1, 2. I see there's a 9 in the tens place, so I'll draw 9 discs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then I draw my line, just separating my discs from the ones I'm about to draw. Okay, so we are dividing by 4, which means I need to draw 4 horizontal lines. And it's okay if it doesn't all fit in the box as long as you can understand what you're writing. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I like to label my lines because I find it easier to keep track. Okay. Starting in our tens place, we are going to draw 1 disc on each line until we run out of discs to fill the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I see I have 1 disc left. I need to decompose that 10 into 10 ones. So I'll draw my arrow, and now I need to bring over 10 discs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now once again, I need to split my disc between the 4 lines until I can't split them anymore. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. 9, 10, 11, 12. As you can see, I used all of my discs, so I do not have a remainder for this one. So, to see my answer, I need to count how many dots I have in each line of the tens column. So I can see I have 2 dots on each line. So I'm writing 2, and then I count the dots that I have in my ones column. And I have 3 dots on each line, so I'm writing 3. So 92 divided by 4 is 23. And there's your answer. I'm leaving you with a challenge to solve this one independently. I'll show the answer in the beginning of my next video. Comment your answer if you want to share how you solved and how you did. That's all for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I really hope this video helped you. Please like and subscribe so that I can continue to provide free educational videos. Comment with any questions or suggestions for tutorials that you would like to see next. Until next time, bye!